Part 2 of the Galaxy Unpacked event has now wrapped up, so I guess it's now time for a quick recap to see what was announced and if there were any surprises, or also if there was anything missing that we're expecting to see that we didn't get to see. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy exclusive new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick recap of Unpacked Part 2. First announcement is the Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition. Now, we won't spend too long here as we actually managed to get an exclusive early hands-on with it and made a video which we highly recommend you watch. As a quick summary though, the Bespoke Studio at Samsung.com, you can now select from 5 new colors in a matte finish for the front and back of the Flip 3, and also a matte black metal frame and also glossy silver, giving you a total of 49 combinations to make your own Flip 3. Available only in 256 gig at the price of $1,099. This is not a limited edition product, and customers in Korea, USA, UK, Germany, France, Canada, and Australia are able to order it straight away, built to order. As I'm based in the UK, trying it out at the Bespoke Studio order online seems straightforward and simple enough at the price of £1,049. It does take a few weeks to arrive, and Samsung did say for a fee, you can change the colors on the back of the Bespoke Edition at a later date if you choose to do so. No mention of the actual fee amount, but the option does seem to be there. The next version of One UI, aka One UI 4, was also showcased on the Flip 3, from UI changes and additions like color palette, new widgets, extra dim as an accessibility feature, emoji pairs when typing, and also photo remaster, etc. This looks to be making way over to the Flip 3 soon. Unless we missed it, Samsung did not give an exact date of when we would actually be specifically getting it, only stating that it would be coming just in time before Halloween, if it's said to be true. We will keep a close eye as we have been doing extensive coverage on One UI 4.0 beta with Android 12 on the Galaxy S21. The Bespoke Edition also now comes to the Galaxy Watch 4 and Watch 4 Classic. Available in the same 7 regions mentioned from before, this looks to be available on all models such as the 40mm 44 of the Watch 4 and the 42 and the 46mm of the Watch 4 Classic. You can select your case and mix and match different bands to make your own watch style. Price in the UK is set to be at £259 for the 40mm, £279 for the 44mm for the Watch 4, £359 for the 42mm, and £379 for the 46mm on the Watch 4 Classic. Again, it's not a limited edition product, and customers can order straight away from Bespoke Studio at Samsung.com. Samsung now has a new collaboration with Maison Kitsune, the Paris meets Tokyo fashion and music label brand, for both the Galaxy Buds 2 and Watch 4. There is a special beige colorway for the Buds 2 with a split fox logo on each bud with a Maison Kitsune Paris logo on the charging case and a special cover case for it. Also, moving over to the Watch 4 edition as well, is the same beige colorway with a fox logo hole in the straps. Pricing is set to be at $209.99 for the Buds 2 and $399.99 for the Watch 4 40mm. This is available from October the 20th in select regions as a limited edition product, and also there is a special Twilight Purple band edition available in October 2021. To end it all, SmartThings had a brief showing now with Smart Find. Samsung is stating it will help you keep track and find all your favorite Galaxy products in close range. This is something that is useful as SmartThings helps to manage all your favorite products all in one place. Now, finishing this recap of Unpacked 2, how are we left feeling, and also what was missing that we didn't get to see? Well, we are wondering if there was a need for an Unpacked event for all what is essentially a very short Unpacked event showcasing no new actual products that we usually get from an Unpacked event. If these special edition products were in addition to, let's say, the expected Galaxy S21 FE or even the rumored Tab S8, then it would have been all that made sense and would have been all for it. Also, not seeing a Bespoke edition for the Z Fold 3 now officially confirms the full focus on the Flip 3 as the more fashionable personal mobile device in Samsung's eyes versus the Fold 3 as the outright productivity powerhouse in the foldable range? Let us know if you feel the same way in the comment section below. For all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For all the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and we will see you next time.